Hi, it's Ian for the MOTOROLA Moto E22 and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So just to do that, we should press up or down volume button, and then you'll see here there's bell icon. Click on the bell icon and switch it to the cross bell. We can see that calls and notifications, they will be muted, so this means that the silent mode is activated successfully. If you want to turn off silent mode, click here to this cross bell and switch it to the normal one. So here calls and notifications, they will ring, so this means that we just successfully turn off silent mode on our Motorola Moto E22. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.